What's up, TikTok? Just showing you that there is a part for the self-closing bracket. So let me show you where the rest of it is. So there's the rest of the self-closing bracket. Look, see? Right here. I can push it, and I think you guys will know how it works because it's in you've got them in schools and stuff. On the fire doors in the schools. But I got one on my bed. I'm going to get off. That one's going to be fitted onto my bedroom door. So here's the main bit, the little bit, where the arm is. See, the screws are in there. The screws are on there, so that's holding that. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, I knew I shouldn't have made that. So, yeah, so this is holding onto the wall now, onto the frame of the door. So, yeah, so the main part.